everyone, we have r equals 2 divided by 3 plus 3 sine of theta. And we're going to find the eccentricity, identify the conic, and give an equation of the directrix. And also sketch the conic. Just sketch it. All right. Let's see. It has this form here. In our denominator, we have a positive e sine of theta, because this is positive. The problem is we have a 1 here and we need a 1 here. So we're going to take our r equals 2 divided by 3 plus 3 sine of theta. And we're going to multiply our numerator and our denominator by 1/3. And that's going to give me, in the numerator, 2/3. And in the denominator, we're going to get 1 plus sine of theta. So my e here is 1, because that's 1 times sine of theta. So e equals 1. Therefore, that since e equals 1, we have a parabola. Also, let's see what else. We know that ED equals 2/3, and we know that E equals 1, so 2/3 equals your D. That means for our directrix, that's going to be above the focus at the origin. So D equals above absolute value of FL equals 2/3. We already have that. Since it's positive, it means it's above the focus at the origin. And I'm not sketching it here, but basically if it's above and we're doing sines, that means it's going to open up or down. So this is going to open down because this is above. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph this. Oh, let's write the equation. The equation is y equals 2/3. So that was the equation part. All right, sorry about that. No, so let's graph this. I went ahead and marked some of my values to make this a little bigger for the video. I went by thirds. So this is 1/3. This is 2/3, and so forth. This is 1/3, 2/3. So my directrix is right here. And that's y equals 2/3. Here's your origin. All right. So at 0, if I substitute in 0 here, I'm going to get 2/3. Because sine of 0 is 0. So you'll just have 2 divided by 3. So we're over here. This is the point 0, or 2/3 comma 0 in polar coordinates. All right. And then for at pi divided by 2, we're going to get 2 divided by 3 plus 3, because sine of pi divided by 2 is 1. So this is going to equal 1/3. So there's that. So we have 1/3 comma pi divided by 2. And at pi, we get 0 here again, and we're at 2/3. So at pi, we're at 2/3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 right here. So this is going to be 2/3 comma pi. Now, let's just draw the graph. We're going to sketch it. So there it is. I kind of made it really big here. So there's your graph. Something like that. And this is your origin here. The vertex is midway between the focus and the directrix, and that is going to be this point right here. 1/3, comma, pi divided by 2. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Oh, let me write this here.